What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've talked about Cardano plenty of times, and I love this position. I love what they have to offer. Love their use case. Love the stakeability of it. Love the fact that there's a large amount of holders that believe in this for the long term, as you see on things like Coinbase when you look at the average days of typical hold time. There's just so many positive things about this position that definitely makes me think about the market cap, the price, the movement, the potential, everything there, and makes me want to invest more every time. Every time I make a video, I'm like, I need to invest more into the position because it looks like it's at a very, very good price. So anyways, guys, I want to talk to you about this in this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. It helps out me. If you go on social media, follow me on other social medias. You follow my Patreon. That link is down there. Rumble, my other YouTube accounts. Just so many different things to explore that have a different side of me, whether it's golfing or reacting or gaming or whatever that you're interested in. So anyways, let's talk about Cardano a little bit. As you know, I'm invested in Cardano, and I'll be upfront with that and let you know how much I do have, and I will show you how much I have. I have about 7,000 coins, which I invested at various points, right? Buying Cardano lower than 50 cents and then continuing to average down as it is at 31 cents right now. But being able to buy as much as I bought, it's not necessarily like any type of flex or anything, because I didn't buy like tens of thousands or 20,000 or 100,000 Cardano. I just bought thousands of coins, which is thousands of dollars. It's not a crazy amount. I've seen people with way more than me that believe in this project, and just as much as I do. I just like to diversify my investments into so many other places, but I like to go in on some things, or all in on some things. So anyways, where's Cardano at right now? Cardano is currently at 31 cents. It's pretty much at that consolidation point. Like it's not increasing, it's not decreasing really. It's sort of at like a break even area. I wouldn't say it's fully consolidating here, but it's at a break even point today. If we look at the circulating supply, we're seeing 77% of the overall supply that is out there. So that's a great sign. I always like to see anything over that 60% threshold. I really don't like them to be able to add double into there. So if we look at the market cap versus fully diluted market cap, we're looking at about $11 billion versus the $14.1 billion that you do have there. Volume, we're seeing $229 million worth of volume. If we look at history when it comes to volume, historical data, we've seen this have volume in the billions. But as of late, it hasn't had that much volume because of the fact that the markets have been untrustworthy, right? People are not looking to invest in the crypto market because they don't really trust everything that's going on in the crypto market, especially what happened to FTX, what happened to Voyager, what happened to, people's accounts. Like, it's just not a good sign or a good situation. But if you scroll down here and you look at it in November, you're seeing 500 million, 1.4 billion, 1.3 billion. You scroll down here, 1.2 billion. If you load a lot more and continue down here, you're going to see that we are in the billions a lot more frequently, in the hundreds of millions a lot more frequently. But obviously this whole entire year that we've been going through this issue, it's been about a year and some change that we've been going through this crypto issue, where there's less volume, there's less trust, less people that are getting into it. Overall inflation, cryptocurrency is following the stock market as well. But either way, that happening creates a lot of opportunities for people. And this is why I continue to buy Cardano or buy ADA. I would like to hold 10,000, which is not, ridiculous. I believe I can get to 30,000 easily, or sorry, not 30,000, 10,000 easily. But I haven't made a purchase yet, and I'm not planning on making a purchase right now. I know that I just want to get to 10,000 because that's just the mark that I want to get to before I I call it quits on the amount that I'm buying. I think 10,000 is a great amount to hold of Cardano. I think Cardano has so much more potential, especially with all of the gains that I'm getting with the APY. So even if I'm not, even if I don't have 10,000, I'm still gaining something in the end while staking the position. So anyways, that's how all the information looks. If we look at the overview of all history and see where this has been, you've seen this up in that $3 mark. You've seen this at a $90 billion market cap, $90+ billion market cap. So I believe it can get to some of these levels. This is the conversation we need to have. People will focus on the price so much, but I think we really need to focus on where the market cap potential actually is for this position and where it will be in the next bull run. And I believe $100 billion is a no-brainer for ADA, for Cardano, with how many people do hold it, how many people do believe in it, how many people do stake the position. And that's proven by going over to Coinbase. We go over to Coinbase and you see how much I am holding in Cardano. I'm holding 7,095 coins. At which I gain a 2.6 APY on that. And if you look at the typical days of hold time, it's 182 days. A half a year, people are holding it typically. And I would imagine by the time we do see a bull run, that will be well over 200 days that people are holding this position. And if not, they're buying a lot more that's going into it. So like I said, I could buy a ton more and end up buying another $2,000 worth and have 14,000 if I wanted to. Maybe even have 20,000, but I know I want to get to 10,000 at least. And maybe I'll make that purchase soon. If I do, I will let you guys know on Patreon if I am going to make that purchase, which again would be somewhere around what, $600 for another 2,000 coins. 1,000 coins would be like $300, another 2,000 coins. So technically it would be about $1,000 for me to buy another 3,000 coins or so, which is not horrible. So I will let people on Patreon know if I'm going to make that purchase. But I definitely believe in Cardano. I wanted to check out some price predictions and see. There's an article here where it's like Cardano's price forecast. Can ADA blast up to $1 this week? And they obviously go into the crypto market and how it's stuck between a certain level consolidating. But if you scroll down here, you're going to see that investors can expect ADA to strengthen the uptrend for a breakout to $1. And obviously, you can read charts however you want, and I read charts a lot of times and see that we're ready for a breakout, but it all depends on what's happening in the actual real world and how it's connected to businesses, because it seems like cryptocurrency is definitely moving in line with a lot of businesses in the stock market. So make sure you're aware of that. But not just looking for $1 that's a 3x return. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for way more than just getting to a level of $1, and that's in the long term. But in the short term, you may end up seeing me take some sort of profit out of that level, right? Because it's always great to take whatever your initial investment is, whatever your profit is, off the table so that you can live out the rest of the life with just profit, with just gravy. So from an investment standpoint, that's the way that I'm looking at it. But from, a long-term, holder and believer in Cardano, I want to see so much more success for this position and so much more growth than just $100 billion market cap. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.